Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. I quickly ran upstairs to change. You're gonna see a totally different outfit in this video because I'm about to run out of the house and we need to go to our soccer practice. Who didn't know? I am an assistant coach at this. Anyways, I'm an assistant coach for soccer, so that's exciting. Anyways, back to our DIY. This balloon garland is ready for you guys. It's very different from every other balloon garland that I've ever made. I don't know how I feel about it. Let me know. I am trying new things in this DIY, so I will list everything in the description and down below for you guys. Check it out if you're interested, and without any further ado, let's go. Let's quickly go over all of the supplies that I have here. I am trying new balloons over here, foiled balloons in rose gold and red colors. I love how they look on the outside. We'll see how they will perform. I do have this balloon tying tool over here. I love this thing. It helps me tie my single individual balloons without damaging the sides of my fingers. If you're working with balloons, I highly recommend this thing. It's very simple but very effective. I love my 10-pound fishing line for my balloons garland. If you watch my videos and you're subscribed and you kind of follow my videos, you know why I love fishing line for my balloon garlands. I have 5-inch burgundy color balloons, then 12-inch white balloons. These bags, or one of the bags, cost me around $2, maybe a little bit more, I can't remember the price. Each bag has 72 balloons. I bought them at Walmart. I love this brand. It's very soft and very stretchy. I will find something similar for you guys that I already tried in white and listed for you in the description down below. I have this electric balloon pump that I can't live without, and I will be always using for making my balloon garlands so much easier and so much faster. Then I have these gold metallic balloons that I am not sure if I will be using them. These are the same balloons the same company sent me as these foiled balloons over here, so I'm pretty excited to see how they perform. Then to fill in spaces on my balloon garland, I will be using, you guys, very important, low heat glue gun. Low heat glue gun will not burst and pop your balloons because it's not as hot and it works perfect. Then on the side I have heart-shaped foil balloons laying. I bought them like ages ago, not ages ago, but in February. I wanted to do something for the Valentine's Day, but it didn't work out, so I think I will be incorporating some of the heart-shaped balloons into this balloon garland. We'll see. Alrighty guys, enough talking, let's jump into this video. Alrighty guys, I am planning to start with my white and burgundy balloons. I will be blowing my white balloons into 12-inch balloons, but then I will be blowing them up a little bit smaller, so large size balloons and medium size balloons, kind of playing with sizes. And these guys over here, you can do much 5-inch. I am starting with my white balloons, so what I'm doing, I'm blowing 2 balloons at once. Taking both of my balloons and tying them into pair. And here you have a pair of balloons. Keep on playing with the size of your balloons and keep on tying them together and you're good to go. I might pair some of the burgundy balloons with white balloons, but mostly I am keeping my burgundy with burgundy. I might pair them as well with burgundy. I might pair them too. So just keep on playing, keep on pairing, and yeah, let's go. I did blow some of the white balloons. Now I want to incorporate those foil balloons over there and pair them with white balloons. So let's see, let's blow some of the foil balloons and see how they will pair. Okay, so I found a new way how to blow these balloons up. They look really cute. More of a square shape than round. I don't know, but they look cute. So now let's see how let me show you how I blew these balloons up. So I took a regular drinking straw, I inserted into this opening that the balloons have, just like this. Then I have with this balloon I have two nozzles over here in smaller size. So I inserted those nozzles on my main pump, put the straw right on top of the hole or right inside of this nozzle. If this straw fits perfectly into this nozzle, and start blowing. Here you have perfectly blown balloon. So now let's see how, if I want to pair them with a regular latex, how can I do that? My white latex balloon, and yeah, you just tie them together and they will work perfect. Look at this, amazing. Blew almost every single balloon that I showed you in the beginning of this video. I still have my gold balloons over here and a few white ones. I'm not sure if I want more white. Just in case, if I would need more white, I'll add more white. Let's construct our garland. Here is how I start and construct my balloon garland. I'm taking one of the clusters that I just made, my fishing line, and tying a knot on this cluster over here. There she is. Hey.
Hi. I love this balloon and this one. It's so beautiful.
Yes. Okay. So this first cluster is tied to my fishing line. I'm taking my second cluster of balloons, putting right on top of my fishing line, and taking my fishing line and wrapping around one of the newest balloons that I just placed on top and pushing towards my first cluster. As soon as I pushed it closer to the first cluster, I'm wrapping my fishing line around one more time and pushing closer to the first cluster. And keep on doing that with every single cluster of balloons. Keep constructing, and we will be done in no time. Your fishing line snaps, don't panic. Just wrap your fishing line around a few of the balloons and tie a knot. Then take your newly tied fishing line and wrap around a few of your balloons just to keep the shape and to make sure balloons will not loosen up and run away from you. Here we go. And now start building again. Okay, I built enough of balloon garland for my staircase. As you know, I'm placing all of my balloon garlands on my staircase. So now let me show you how to secure all of your garlands. So I'm cutting a big long piece of fishing line, holding my fishing line with one hand over here, and then that tail that is left after cutting, wrap around one of the balloons. Keep holding your fishing line with your other hand. Wrap that tail around one of your balloons. Grab this tail with that hand that you were holding that loop with and feed it through that loop and tie it. Do that a few times just to make sure you secure your balloons really, really well. Now you're ready to put this on your staircase or whatever you want to put this garland on. I love to start with the bottom of my balloon garland and work myself up the staircase just to make sure that my balloon garland touches the ground and kind of like grows out of the ground. So I'm starting with the bottom of my staircase over here. I'm starting with cutting big pieces of fishing line, wrapping these pieces around my balloon garlands and tying to my railings. So let's go. Here I have a few balloons left. So I want to build a second garland, piece of the garland, and then go to my main garland and place it right on top, like make this portion of the garland really bulky and really, really big. I'm taking my fishing line, going over there to that spot and tying this part to my existing balloon garland. Tie a second piece to my balloon garland. I used my 50-pound fishing line. It's a lot thicker than a 10-pound fishing line, and I was able to push my balloons closer together as tight as I could without this fishing line ripping on me, because I had trouble with the 10-pound fishing line because it would snap on me multiple times. So to build your balloon garland, 10-pound fishing line is perfect. To tie them together, I would suggest something heavier, like a 50-pound fishing line. Now let's fill in spaces with the burgundy color balloons using a low heat glue gun. What I have for you guys today. I am not too crazy about the color combination. I don't know, honestly. I love these foiled balloons a lot. They performed really, really good and they look really, really pretty. The only thing, this balloon did deflate. I tried to salvage that balloon like by pushing and gluing lots of balloons over here so it kind of like hold the air like tighter, even though it deflated, but it didn't work. So anyways, the rest of the balloons are doing really good. White balloons are perfect. These burgundy balloons I'm not too crazy about, just because I think they are way too fragile. I was tying clusters of these balloons like over here, and when I was building my balloon garland and putting those balloons on my fishing line, wrapping and pushing them closer to the other balloons, fishing line would cut them and they would pop. So never ever something like that happened to me with any other balloons, just these guys. Overall, I don't know. I don't know what I feel about it. I like the foil balloons and probably that's about it. I will share a few pictures at the end of this video. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is another take on another balloon garland. Let me know what you think. I'm kind of like 50-50 on this balloon garland. There's things that I love about the garland and things that I don't. Maybe for me this balloon garland would look better in a bigger space, in a bigger room or outside, and I would probably elongate this balloon garland even more just because it's like so voluminous and so big on that particular one spot that it just kind of like, I don't know. Let me know. Leave your comments in the comment section below. I'll be interested in reading and seeing what you guys think. Also, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And we'll see you back next time. Bye.